Hey friends, my name is RD Yadav, CSCP from Apex USA. I'm feeling privileged, honored, and excited to be here with you with a very relevant topic, that is how supply chain plays a role like a tool for disaster management, be it COVID-19 or other. And today I'll take you through a brief about supply chain and how supply chain planning used to be aligned with the disaster management cycle. And I'll take you through the glimpse of role of supply chain in disaster management and how supply chain is taking reshape to cope up the need of disaster management and and what exactly its impact on the community is. So we'll uh, you know will take you through these points today. So let me take you through the very first one, that's a brief of supply chain. Supply chain management is basically a concept that's related to flow of goods, information and money from end to end in such a way that creates value and synchronize supply with demand using the functionality like demand management, order fulfillment, and purchasing partnership, material management, manufacturing, warehousing, logistics, and all those functionality taking into consideration. So now let's have a look at the how supply chain planning used to be well aligned with the disaster management cycle, with the each of the phases like preparedness, response, recovery, mitigation, and accordingly same exactly to fulfill the requirement of disaster management. Supply planning need and execution used to get planned accordingly to get out of the best. And let's have a glimpse that how supply chain contributes, how it plays a important role in the disaster management. Friends, we can have a look at supplies of medical kits through drones, through helicopters, and in the current scenario of coronavirus, because of the contamination, we are using robots to carry the medicine to the patients, to test the patients, to going for the thermal screening of the patient, going for the routine checkups of the patients, and also we are using you know as a large scale for the food and packet deliveries to the hotspot areas, to the damaged, disastered areas. We are also taking you through that how supply chain is contributing as the supplies of food and medicines and other essential commodities during disaster management, and also how they're contributing towards the fire extinguishing and during the flood scenarios and all. So, friends, now we'll have a look at how future supply chain is getting reshaped to cope up the changing scenario of these pandemics and disasters. Like in the business, we align our supply chain strategy well in accordance to the business strategy and organizational strategy. Same way, we are planning our supply chain strategy well in alignment with the disaster management strategies, duly taking the supports of digital ecosystems that consist of Internet of Things, IoT, artificial intelligence, big data, machine learnings, robotics, 3D printings, and softwares also plays a major role. And in order to cope up these changes, also we have to enhance our skills to operate this thing, to manage these things and execute these things. Also, if we look at the competition is also taking a new shape, and the emergence of non-traditional competitors is one of the example of it. The companies like Google, Amazon, Facebook, and Flipkart are emerging as a non-traditional competitors for the organizations. And in the last but not least, my dear friends, orchestrating the supply chain is one of the very vital requirement for the reshaping future supply chain. That has to be in such a way that the earth to earth end-to-end supply chain is one virtual organization, duly diminishing the boundaries of organization in between. And the newly developed practices like CPFR and VMI, collaborative planning, forecasting and replenishment, and vendor management inventory, vendor managed inventory, are also contributing a lot towards it. And the emerging startups are example of it. And contract manufacturing are increasing based on their specializations, and companies are focusing towards their core competencies. And also, supply chain doesn't complete without the reverse logistics, without the reverse supply chain to give a complete life cycle of the supply chain. So these are the points which are helping towards reshaping of the future supply chain, and how it is impacting to the community. If we execute these things effectively, this is quite obvious that this is going to improve visibility of the better action. My dear friend, this is very important to go through the entire this video to connect the dots to get best out of it. And I strongly believe that impact of this future supply chain is going to improve visibility for the better action, exactly to the right point. This will also minimize the human risk. This will improve the accuracy to act upon, and this will enable faster supports to the disaster affected areas. It will improve the far in a better way for the damage control. And if you look at the same thing as the business, in business context, this is going to support us in providing strategic foresight to the business at the highest level. And this will also improve CCC, that's a cash conversion cycle, and cost optimization. For the details, dear friends, you can refer my another video on CCC and inventory management. This will also contribute rationalizing the supply base, as we are observing in the current scenario of coronavirus pandemics, that globally the major manufacturing was at China, but because of these things now the entire globe is suffering. So we need to relook, we need to redesign our supply chain to duly considering these aspects and creating redundant suppliers. And this will also improve the risk protection and management. And also this will contribute in innovating and collaborating with the supply chain and suppliers. So dear friends, if you have any question or any improvement advices, you can visit my LinkedIn page and you can write there. I assure you to support there. And if you find it beneficial, please subscribe my channel and forward it in your network so that everybody and anybody, whomever is in the need of, can get the benefit of it. Thank you so much. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you so much. Take care.